Look at this solution. So pay attention to this solution. For clarity's sake, let us rewrite this. Root 2 plus root x equal to 2. We'll make this x, we'll isolate x that has a radical. A radical is like a cover, but we need to remove this cover in order to find x. So to do this, first of all, we'll isolate only the radical x, root x. Taking root 2 to the other side becomes minus root 2. After taking the root 2 to the other side, we square both sides in order to remove the radical. Square both sides. This will now give us root x squared equal to, open a bracket, 2 minus root 2 all squared. Mind you, root x, note that root a is still the same thing as saying a raised to the power 1 over 2. Therefore, we apply it here, we get x raised to the power 1 over 2, bracket close, squared, equal to, let's expand this, 2 minus root 2, bracket, 2 minus root 2, in expanded form. The reason why we did this in this expanded form is to enable us to cancel out this power. 2 will cancel out this. So x raised to the power 1 is still the same thing as x, equal to, x expand this, 2 times 2 is 4. Use the same 2 to multiply this negative root 2. 2 times negative root 2 will give us negative 2 root 2. Negative root 2 times 2 will still give us negative 2 root 2. Negative root 2 times negative root 2. From our indices, we know that whenever a root is multiplying itself, the answer is simply the value of that, the number within that root. So root a times root a is a. Do you understand that? So we apply it here now. Negative root 2 times negative root 2 will give us, because negative times negative, recall again, negative times negative is positive. So this will give us positive 2. Our x will now be 4 minus negative root 2, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will give us negative 4 root 2 plus 2. This will give us 4 plus 2 minus 4 root 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 4 root 2. And this is the value of our x. You can still express it down, factorize using 2. This can be written as 2 bracket 3 minus 2 root 2. Alright,